single coating of acrylic white onto the top of the wood, and once when it is dry, then we have to transfer the design. Now this design sheet is ready for transferring, and this wood is also, because it is dried almost, and this is also ready for transferring. So I am going to place it down and then keep this wood on top, and then I am going to start tracing. So hope you can view this, and once, like now and then, I'll be just bringing the piece near the camera so that it will be easy for you to know what's happening. Okay, so first let me, just like that, you hold it on in one hand, and the other hand you just use your pencil, and then you can trace it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. So let me trace all the entire design. I'll transfer. So likewise, see, every week we have live sessions in Palette School of Fine Arts page. Whoever is interested can follow my page to have the free online session. This is not a paid session. So we have a free online session. So if you are interested, really interested, and if you want to do something in art and craft, you can just follow my page to view all the free live sessions. So just like that, I'm just holding it. If you want to have a sellotape at the top in order to prevent it from moving, you can just do it. But I haven't fixed any sellotape on top. Just like that, I'm tracing, holding in one hand, and I'm doing the tracing. So completely, let me finish, because you have scratched it well, so the design will be perfect at the back. Okay, I'm just holding it one hand. Doing it. So it's such an interesting work, and I'll just give the explanation also what is mean. Once tracing is over, I'll just give the explanation also what is mean by blue pottery, where it has been originated, everything. I'll be giving all those details so that it will be easy for you to grasp. Yeah, only little more is left off. I'm going to complete that as well. Okay, so this is here. That's it. See, I've done the whole. Anything is left off, let me check. I've done here also, but let me check once again. That's it. So now the design is completely transferred. Little bit is left off here. So likewise, you have to transfer the design. Got it? So see, the design is completely transferred. This is an easy way of transferring the design. Instead of using yellow carbon, you can just trace it in this way. Okay, so now coming to the section, what is mean by blue pottery. Normally blue pottery, I'll hold it, no problem. So normally blue pottery means, what is that? Actually it's nothing but it's been originated in 19th century. And mostly it's the Turkey Persian culture, because from Turkey Persia it's been originated, and most of the time always they use the main product of blue pottery is blue dye. So that is what they use. And the main thing, other thing is like, how do they make? It's a long process actually. So they take long small cullets. Cullets means a small pieces of glasses. They grind it together in order to make they take all the glass pieces, they grind it together, and they form a dough, and then they also use quartz powder. It's a special powder. They also use that along with the grinded glass pieces. They start making the dough, and then from there they start making the pottery. And the dye what they use, maximum main color what they use is like cobalt blue. That is, they take blue from cobalt oxide, as well as green also. Sometimes in some areas they also use green, that is from copper oxide. So many things like they use. So so many in the sense like the basic materials I'm saying. So these are the main things they use, and it's a long process. So what we have done is like we have taken up that style of painting, and instead of applying it on the pot, we have started applying it on all the bases. As I told you, we can apply it on the wood or pot or paper plate or whatever it is, like cardboard or whatever it is. So that is what we have done. Now what we have done is like completely we have taken up all the designs of this blue pottery style painting, all the designs, because these designs are inherited from Persia. So all these designs we have taken up, and then now we have just converted into this trend accordingly. So that is how we are doing it. Same way, so many potteries are there, like so many I mean in so many parts of the world they specialize in different art forms. So we have just taken up that style, and then we have just implemented on different bases. And natural colors, like those colors they started using in those days, but whereas we started using the available colors, instant colors we started using. So that is how we have just come into this blue pottery style painting. Okay, so now I think so I have just given an explanation about blue pottery.